Everyone has a vision for their future. But how do you turn that vision into a reality? You start by building financial stability, a steady income, a home, a family, plans for your children's future, and your own retirement. But what if the unthinkable happens? Term life insurance can help cover loss of income, provide mortgage protection, or pay for services that may need to be replaced if the worst should happen. For as low as $10 a month, you can help keep your vision secure. Term insurance can be provided to cover what's important to you for a set period of time, or term. Terms can be for 10, 15, 20, or 30 years. And with North American, term coverage may include living benefits that you can use while you're living, and you have the opportunity to convert to a permanent product later on if your needs change. Talk to your financial professional today about how you can help protect your vision.